let's start our rhyme. I'm a little teapot. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle and here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. I'm a clever teapot, yes, it's true. Here, let me tell you what I can do. I can change my handle and my spout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Hello kids, welcome to our channel. आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. This is our rhyme time. We are going to learn one new rhyme that is about the spider. Have you seen spider? Sure, you must have seen spider at home. Now let's go for the rhyme. Incy wincy spider climbing up the spout. Incy wincy spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy wincy spider climbed up again. So Incy wincy spider climbed up again. So Incy wincy spider climbed up again. Thank you. Hi kids, welcome to our channel. आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Upasana Sinha from Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School, Gola Road, Patna. This is our rhyme time. Today we will learn one English rhyme. Okay, that is Mama darling, Papa darling. Let's start. Mama darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby smiling, see your baby smiling. Just for you, just for you. Papa darling, Papa darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby singing, see your baby singing. Just for you, just for you. Mama darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby dancing, see your baby dancing. Just for you, just for you. Papa darling, I love you, I love you. See your baby studying, see your baby studying. Just for you, just for you. Thank you.
हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल. आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.
Hi kids, welcome to our channel. आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. In the session of our rhyme time, we are going to learn a new rhyme. Are you ready? Let's start it. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.
Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to our channel. आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. This is our rhyme time. So we are going to learn one rhyme, that is Mary had a little lamb. Let's start then. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece is white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. And waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
To like, share and subscribe. Hello kids, welcome to our channel आज कुछ नया सीखते हैं। Do like, share and subscribe.
Hi kids, welcome to our channel आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं। I'm your teacher Mrs. Upasna Sinha. Today we will learn a new English rhyme, that is the wheels on the bus. Let's start. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round all through the town. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all through the town. The peoples on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus goes up and down all through the town. The horns on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horns on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all through the town. The doors on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus goes open and shut all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all through the town. The mama on the bus says shh, 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 shh. The mamas on the bus say shh, 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 all through the town. The papa on the bus says I love you, I love you, I love you. The papa on the bus says I love you all through the town. Thank you.
Do like, share and subscribe.
Kids, welcome to our channel आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. I'm your teacher Mrs. Upasna Sinha from Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. Today we will learn an English rhyme. Let's start. Going to the market, we are going to the fair to see a señorita with flowers on her head. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it if you can, and shake it like the milkshake, and do the best you can. Oh, rumble to the bottom and tumble to the top, and turn around until you make a stop. Thank you. Hi kids, welcome to our channel. आज कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Today we will learn a teddy bear rhyme. Here we go. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoe. Teddy bear, off to school. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoe. Teddy bear, off to school. Bye bye. Thank you.